Greetings, one and all. My name is Vinith Krishnan. My topic is Farmers' Rights IPR reference styles Harvard and Vancouver system. Farmers' rights to accelerate agricultural development. It is necessary to protect plant breeders' right to stimulate investment for research and development of new plant varieties. Such protection is likely to facilitate the growth of seed industries, which will ensure the availability of high quality seeds and planting material to the farmers. This act has been passed in order to provide the establishment of an effective system of protection of plant varieties, the right to farmers and plant breeders, and to encourage the development of new plant varieties. Different kinds of farmers' rights. One, right on seeds. The right includes the right to save the seed from one's crop and use the saved seed for the sowing and exchange, sharing, or selling to other farmers. It is fundamental to the conservation role performed by the farmers. 2. Right to register traditional varieties. The PPVFR Act allows the registration of traditional varieties or farmers' varieties. Registration of the varieties grants PBR on the varieties, which allows exclusive legal rights to PBR holding farmers to produce and market its seeds. 3. Right for reward and recognition. In recognition of the important role farmers have been playing for the conservation of varietal wealth of croplands, the PPVFR Act has provision to reward and recognize individual farmers or farming and traditional communities for such contributions. 4. Right to get compensation for the loss suffered from the registered varieties. The primary purpose of registration of a plant per variety under the Act is to establish an exclusive commercial right on the varieties. This Act has a provision to check unfair marketing practices by breeders and their seed sellers. 5. Right for seed for registered varieties. One of the objective of the Act is to promote the availability of high quality seed and planting material for farmers for acceleration. This Act tries to achieve the objective by ensuring adequate availability of seeds for registered varieties to farmers at reasonable cost. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights is a category of property that includes intangible creation of human intellect. Intellectual property right can be defined on the right held by a person over a creation of his mind or intellect. Type of IPR. 1. Patent. Patent is an exclusive right granted to an applicant by the government for a limited period of practices the invention in lieu of the information disclosed to the government with regard to the invention. 2. Trademark. Trademark is any design that can distinguish of one trader from those of the another. It includes symbol, words, logos, pictures, colors, and combination of these. 3. Copyright. The term originated in the copyright law means that a work originated by the author. Its right with the grant protection to unique expression of ideas. Harvard and Vancouver system. There are two main methods of referencing articles in journal and book publications. Harvard style. This system uses the author's name and date of publication in the body of the text, and bibliography is given alphabetically by the author. There are many variations on the style. Vancouver system. Vancouver system differs from Harvard by using a number of series to indicate the references. Bibliography lists these in numerical orders as they appear in the text. The main advantages of Vancouver style is that the main text reads more easily, and some editors consider this to be less objective.